Yes, and here is the winning trade again. I get money, I get money, money I got. We are the champions, my friend. Greetings to all, I'm Evelyn and you're on my channel about making money on binary options. Today, I'm going to show you a 100% profitable strategy which you can easily repeat to make easy money in trading, even without a big deposit. So be sure to watch this video to the end. Go to the Telegram channel using the link below the video. Be sure to write to me in private messages because I will give each of you a step-by-step training on how to trade on binary options, how to use the pocket option platform. I will show and tell you everything to the smallest detail. You will be able to repeat trades after me and get exactly the same result as mine. In fact, everything is much simpler than it seems at first glance. Now you don't need experience because I will personally pass on my experience to you by myself. Binary options are a market where everyone can achieve a stable income. There are already more than 8,000 people successfully trading and earning with me. So go to Telegram and I'm waiting for your messages. So today I'm going to start trading with just $1. This is a deposit that everyone can afford. Let's add the trading pairs that we will be working with today. I suggest adding Australian dollar and Swiss franc, Canadian dollar and Swiss franc, so we can also work with the euro and the British pound, as well as the British pound and the Japanese yen. We will also add a couple of indicators to determine price movement more accurately. We will add a MACD indicator and a moving average indicator. So let's move on to the first currency pair. Our initial trade will be from $1. Here we see a clear upward movement, and judging by the indicators, it should continue. So we will open a higher option. Great! Here we are with our first earnings. As you can see, everything went exactly according to our plan. Let's choose a new currency pair. We will trade at $1.92. Here we see a pronounced downward movement, which will continue at least to the support level. So I will open a lower option. Wow! And we win again! We already have over $3 in our balance. I get money, I get money, money I got. Let's move to another currency pair. Now we can put already two of $3.69. The price broke through the local resistance level and went higher, and we can make a minute trade while the growth continues. We open the higher option. Alright, guys, this is awesome! We made the right choice again. Let's continue to our trading session with the third currency pair. Here the price is approaching a local support level and a reversal is about to take place and the price will go up. Now is the perfect opportunity to open the higher. That's great! That's a win! Look how well the trade worked out. We already have $13 in our account. Let's move to the first currency pair and put the amount of $13.59. On the chart, we can see how the price has approached the local resistance level, and the price growth has significantly decreased. I assume that now there should be a small price correction, and the chart should go down a bit. Therefore, I will be opening a lower option. Wow! It was very risky, but still we won, and we already have $26 on the balance. Let's not stop and move on to the next trading pair. Here we see how the price again approached the local resistance level, bounced from it and went down. Therefore, we boldly open a lower option. Unbelievable! We made a profit again. My strategy really works. Let's move on to the fourth currency pair. Notice that long tail on the candle. This tells us that most buyers are starting to buy at this level, and that tells us the price should go higher. I'm going to open a higher option. Yeah, that was the right call. We have $96 on our balance. Let's move on to the third currency pair. Let's put the amount of $96.17. We have a continued upward movement to the nearest resistance level. It is obvious to me that we should open a higher option. Brilliant! Just imagine we started with $1 and now we have over $180 on our account. No other trading than binary options will allow you to make money with such a small deposit. Let's move to the second currency pair and see what we have here. The downward movement continues, and judging by the MACD indicator, it is quite a strong trend. Therefore, we should open a lower option. Oh my god, we have $354 on the balance. That's a great result. Let's move to another currency pair. The price has passed the correction phase and started to rise rapidly. We have a great opportunity to open a higher option. What a success! Everything went according to our plan. Let's move on. Let's move to the third currency pair. The chart reached the local resistance level, turned around and went down, and we can safely take the lower option. I knew that! The balance is already $1,306. It is not bad, isn't it? I propose to continue our trading session with the fourth currency pair. Here we can see how the correction has started and the chart has gone down. We need to open a lower option as soon as possible. Fantastic! Just look, we already have more than $2,000 in our account. After all, we started with just $1. Believe me, if you trade according to my signals, each of you will be able to repeat my success. Let's move on to the first currency pair. Yes, the situation here is not simple. The chart should reach the nearest support level. But judging by the MACD indicator, the buyers have some resistance and are trying to keep the price below. I will trust the classic theory of trading from levels and open a lower option. Amazing! It was a bit risky, but our theory didn't fail. Let's move on to the second currency pair and get ready for the 1000 put option. Here is an obvious situation where the chart has dropped to the support level and pushed off from it. We can safely open a higher option. It's super good! We have a great trading session today. We are already over $4,000 on our balance. Let's make a couple more trades. Let's open a third currency pair. Pay attention to the long tail of this candle. This indicates the strength of buyers who are pushing the price up. However, if we pay attention to our indicators, the downward movement should continue. Therefore, we will open a lower option. Yay! That's great! We have already multiplied our initial balance many times over. Let's move on to a new currency pair and make another trade. The upward movement of the chart is evident here. But there should be a correction soon and we should make a trade before it starts. So let's rather open a higher option. Yes! And here is the winning trade again. We made a huge profit in just 20 minutes of trading. We have $5,856 on the balance. We are the champions, my friends. This is an excellent result, and you can do the same. To make it even more clear for you guys, this is an approximate amount of money that we have just made in 20 minutes. Just imagine that. That's what I love about trading on binary options. So guys, you get an opportunity to change your life for the better by using this strategy and start making stable money from trading. Let me visually show it to you. That is the kind of money you can make every day. Just imagine that. I got incredible pleasure from this trading session and from the profit we were able to get. I would also like to invite you to my Telegram channel. The link to it is in the description below this video. In my Telegram channel, I not only conduct trading sessions, in which, by the way, each of you can participate for free, but also explain step-by-step how to trade on binary options in general, how to use pocket option, right down to the very detail, show even what buttons on the platform should be pressed, so that each participant can definitely make a profit. I also provide support for all participants every day. That is, you can expect that in a couple of days you will definitely understand trading and can already get your first money even with the most zero knowledge at the start. Yes, for some it may seem that trading strategies, it is difficult, but in fact everything is much easier. I personally help you with it. Imagine, you just need to enter the trade following me and you will be able to consistently get the same result as me. I don't mind sharing my experience with people. I will gladly guide you step by step into the world of trading and help you to reach a new financial level of life. More than 8,000 participants of my private Telegram channel earn due to my signals every day. I regularly publish their results on my Telegram channel. Don't waste your time and join my community to start earning today. On the screen, you can see the history of my trades in pocket option. The win rate of my trades is 86.6%, which once again proves the accuracy and profitability of trading with my strategy. I also remind you that a competent trader always follows the rule of risk management. Enter a trade only at 2 or 4% of your deposit, and you can protect yourself from unforeseen market movements. Follow your dream, never stop, and you can become a successful trader. If you still have any questions, leave them in comments. I will answer every question you have. Also, subscribe to the channel and click on the bell so you will not miss new videos where I will tell you about other profitable strategies in trading, using which I make money. Have a good day, everyone. Bye-bye.